Parkinson's disease happens when brain cells die, reducing dopamine, a chemical that controls movement.
There are a number of proposals as to the cause of Parkinson's disease, as to why an individual will have reduced production of dopamine. The exact cause, we don't know. There are viruses that have been proposed. There are genetic susceptibilities that have been proposed, and even vascular causes, such as small vessel disease, which is accrued over time because of hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol.
Most people with the condition are elderly, that is, over 60 years old. Symptoms of Parkinson's disease vary and may be hard to notice at first.
The most commonest type of Parkinson's disease is said to be idiopathic, meaning no clear-cut cause.
What are the symptoms?
So the most common symptom that is recognizable is this pill-rolling tremor that individuals will see, a tremor when the person is at rest. The individual will also look very slowed in the rate at which they walk. They will also appear very rigid, almost mechanical in the way that they move. They will lose facial expression over time, and it can also impact their speech.
Parkinson's disease cannot be cured, but medicine, surgery, and therapies like exercise, physical therapy, and speech therapy can help manage symptoms.
Mobility is one of the most important components to Parkinson's disease. Having the appropriate combinations to restore dopamine levels, and now we actually have the non-invasive brain stimulation that is able to reach the deep areas of the brain to recirculate and renew and regenerate the areas that are not producing the adequate dopamine.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health. The health